We've known you just yesterday, but now farewell to you if to say. This day on we will be setting on our different ways. We will remember times that we spent. We hope our paths will cross once again. We'll always think of you till the time we meet again. We'll be missing you, your love, joy, and your care. Keeping our hearts the advice that you have shared. We'll remember all the fun times that we had. You were always there for us when times were bad. We are grateful for those times that you are here. You'll be in our hearts and mind, you know we care. We'll be missing you, your love, joy, and your care. Wishing for the best things while we're there. We are grateful for those times that you are here. You'll be in our hearts and mind, you know we care. We'll be missing you, your love, joy, and your care. Wishing for the best things while you're there.
की यादों के फ्रेम में आपकी तस्वीर सजाएंगे। आप तो जा रहे हो पर हमें बहुत याद आओगे। धन्यवाद।
मिले थे यहाँ जबा, सिस्टर रूफीना, मिस्टर बिजू और मेरे प्यारे भाई और बहनों और दोस्तों, सच कहें तो आज फेयरवेल का मूड नहीं है मेरा, क्योंकि सुबह सुबह फ़ोन आया था, मेरी मम्मी का तबीयत ठीक नहीं है, थोड़ा सा डिस्टर्ब हूँ, तो ठीक है कोई भी तो आप सबों को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद और आपका बहुत सुंदर प्यार के लिए शायद बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। मेरी मम्मी के लिए भी आप प्रार्थना।
समाजों की एक जगह पे नहीं रहना है, उस लोग भी वैसे ही 4 साल 5 साल के बाद हम लोगों को जाना रहता है, वहाँ पर इनकी योगदान की ज़रूरत है। वो भी इतने बड़े स्कूल नहीं है, स्कूल बन रहा है, जैसे फादर ने कहा चर्च अन्य बहुत सारे काम हो रहा है, फादर का योगदान रहेगा, पक्का रहेगा। तो हम शुभकामनाएं देते हुए, उम्मीद जगाते हुए उनके लिए हम दुआ करेंगे और साथ सहारा देंगे प्रार्थनाओं के ज़रिए। फादर वहाँ खुश रहें, अपनी योगदान के ज़रिए वहाँ के स्कूल को भी अच्छा बनाएं, माहौल का अच्छा बनाए, स्कूल और गिरजाघर बच्चों के साथ और महिला पुरुषों के साथ जो भी काम वहाँ पे फादर लोग कर रहे हैं, इनका योगदान रहेगा और करने के लिए फादर के लिए हम दुआ करते हैं। और आप सभी के ओर से बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देते हैं जो फादर ने हमारे लिए इस कैंपस के लिए किया। धन्यवाद।
वो सब कहने के लिए हमारे भाई साहब ने मौका दिया, बहुत बहुत आभारी हूँ। फादर विंसेंट को बहुत सालों से मैं जानता हूँ। जब मैं ब्रदर था उनका घर जाकर के उनको पकड़ के सोसाइटी में मैं ही लेके आया था, उधर मद्रास में उस समय इससे। और आप लोग इनके साथ ज़्यादा जुड़े हुए हैं। मैं बार बार यही कहना चाहता हूँ कि आप लोगों का हमारा कहीं ना कहीं इस कैंपस के अंतर्गत कहीं ना कहीं कोई निशाने हैं। उसको देखते ही या कुछ चीज़ों को देखते ही व्यक्ति का याद आती है। वो याद आज हम याद करें तो विंसेंट के कैंपस के अंतर्गत बहुत चीज़ें हैं। अगर आप प्रार्थना करने के लिए गिरजाघर जाएंगे, उनका वो डिज़ाइन को देख करके फादर विंसेंट का हाथ है। और इधर कॉरिडोर में घूमते फिरते रहेंगे, कोई चिपका हुआ है जैसे कैंटीन लिखा हुआ है या कुछ भी हो, फादर ने उसको बनाया है। इस प्रकार बहुत चीज़ें हैं। और आज हमने सोचा कि एक पेड़ इधर रोपे फादर विंसेंट, और हमेशा ये पेड़ बढ़ते बढ़ते हमको भी याद आएगा। इन पेड़ों में से वो भी एक पेड़ है, स्पेशल पेड़ है फादर विंसेंट का, रोपा हुआ पेड़ है। वो बढ़ते छाया देते रहते हो तो हम भी हाँ विंसेंट का पेड़ के नीचे के छाया में हम भी ठंडी ठंडी हवा की महसूस करते हैं बोल करके याद है। इस प्रकार सिर्फ फादर ही नहीं, आप लोग भी यादें जोड़ते हैं, बनाते रखते हैं और यादें बने रहता है। वही मैं चाहता हूँ कि कहीं भी हो फादर विंसेंट इस यादगारी को और याद को बनाए रखें, हम खुशियाँ मनाते रहें। थैंक यू विंसेंट, ऑल द बेस्ट।
फादर मिट्टी डालेगा, फादर को डालना मिट्टी।
कली है तो खिलेंगे ही, कली है तो खिलेंगे ही, और जिंदगी है तो फादर से मिलेंगे ही।
वाह
लोहे की पटरी में चलती है रेल, लोहे की पटरी में चलती है रेल, ना जाने फादर से क्या होगी मेल।
Reverend fathers, sisters, teachers and all present here, today with a heavy heart, we all are here to bid a bittersweet farewell to a talented, creative, resourceful and hard-working personality, our dear Father Vincent Paul, who had journeyed with us through our ups and downs for the past 4 years. I'm sure we all recognize, respect and appreciate the valuable contributions Reverend Father Vincent. He was shouldered with the responsibility of the administrator in 2017, and since then he had always been enthusiastic for the campus, be it the school or the college. taking care of the minutest details and catering to all the needs have always been an admirable attribute of Father Vincent. His remarkable initiatives towards the setting of XPI NAFTA and empowering the women of the neighborhood will always be remembered. His precious contributions in commencing and equipping the Balwadi classes for the underprivileged kids is worth appreciating. Not only this, the lush green school ground adorned with bright, beautiful flowers, the spectacular corridors, the breathtaking stage settings on special days, the alluring campus decorations on feasts and festivals, or the astounding views one witnesses as they visit our school campus are all the outcomes of Father Vincent's aesthetic skills. Father, though your stay in NAFTA has been for a short duration of just 4 years, but the impact of your selfless efforts for this organization will be immeasurable and everlasting. It's truly said, the two hardest things to say in life is hello for the first time and goodbye for the last. We now have Tripti ma'am and Joyce ma'am, Father Vincent, Father Jabba, Sister Rufina, and all my dear colleagues. A very good morning once again. When I was informed to speak about Father Vincent, I was blank. I was absolutely blank, not because I had to speak, but I was thinking I've had a very less he was plating.
Father Vincent Paul, as we have seen him all these years, is silent but loud are his works. Unseen in the front, but all over there behind the scene. Not always do we get to see him on our floors, but the times we needed him for ideas, suggestions, or help during the preparation of any program that we have had, he was always all ears and ever ready to help. His artistic vision is commendable, as we all know, but he is also blessed with many more qualities. In tune with the Jesuit value of reaching out and standing with the needy, he had an eye towards the little children around us, and thus we have Balwadi for children of the nearby villages and within our own vicinity. This initiative is also a silent message to our students to care for the less privileged.
May the good Lord bless and keep you, whether near or
sir, for that heart-touching melodious song. Next.
That he has done to the schools in the past years, and for the community and the surrounding here, and for the mission. We talk about Nevta mission here. And we wish him all the best for the future in Ropert. That is the upcoming mission. Lots of challenges, and his presence will make a difference. And I'm sure that he will make a difference in the lives of the community there, the people around, in the school, the social involvement, and also in the parish. So all the best. God bless you, that you may enjoy your mission years to come in Ropert. Thank you.
Reverend Father Alok, Father John Ravi, Father Zeba, Father Mr. Ebin, Sister Rufina, and my dear friends, thank you so much. End of the training years, the Master called all his disciples to him, and he asked them, just watch over it, what I am doing. And then he was pouring a milk in the cup, and it was overflowing. The Master asked, what do you see? The disciples said, one said, you are pouring milk and this cup is overflowing. The Master asked, why there is no honey or Karela juice? Why it is only comes milk? Then he said, one said, because the container contains only milk, that's why it is coming milk. If you are pouring Karela juice, then Karela juice will come. Then Master said, yes, you are right. You have been here for the training, and then you learned many good things. Good as well as bitter experience. Sweet experience as well as a bitter experience. What you are going to carry is that matters. My dear friends, what I am carrying is full of gratitude. Grateful to God. God has blessed me with a wonderful community, Jesuit community. Even if you want to be a very creative, if you don't have any support from our fathers or our staff members here, you can't do anything. So I am really very grateful to our Jesuit community and for you all because of your cooperation and encouragement. I have learned many good things from here. My heart is filled with gratitude. I thank the Lord for the wonderful opportunity being with you all, a wonderful people. So thank you so much. Continue to pray for me. And my mother is not keeping well. So in your prayers, please remember her in your prayers. Thank you so much.
You have heard already many speeches, but it's always difficult to say goodbye to a person who has been integral part of, I've been saying from the beginning, today what the school is, the campus is, it's a contribution of many people. And the level varies, and I can tell, having been right from day one in this campus, Vincent has been, after completing his tenure there in C-Scheme, he was with me. Then when I came ahead. Then he followed when brother was shifted from here. It has been a wonderful journey. Trying to what way we can make this school a school with a difference. That was our slogan right from the beginning. Though Tripti talked about the way we sail through, yes, humble beginning, great history always begins with the first step and a humble beginning. And many people contributed, and I can tell you today, having been involved in the whole process till today, and Vincent has been one among those. The building was built by Brother Gyan and Father Glenn. A lot of people came in to contribute their share, and Vincent has done his bit. And as Father Arok was saying, he has left his legacy in terms of color, in terms of artistic taste, even the interreligious prayer hall which you see, though he was there, he was guiding Biju, and I was only filling it where was needed. So that is the creativity he has got, and today I can tell you the campus looks beautiful because that creativity which God has given him, the artistic outlook has flown out, and which we are able to see in the campus. And also, he kept up a good rapport with the workers, very understanding. Sometimes I was tough with him, why you are giving too many holidays. But he always understood, and in terms of holiday or some help, financial help, he came forward, and you have already displayed, he took initiative to start the Balwadi and the XVA here. Unfortunately, during pandemic year, we couldn't strengthen that. Each year we were strengthening that process. In terms of recruitment, in terms of girls and boys. And he took a keen with Sister Sylvia and the teachers there and did a lot of work for us. So that makes a Jesuit school a school with a difference. Not only formal education, a concern for the poor, downtrodden, love for the ecology, and love for the environment, and making our place as a good place to live in. So a lot of beautiful things happen. We are going to miss him, and of course, as we are Jesuits, religious, we move from place to place. Some stay 5 years, some stay 6 years. So we are on a sojourn, we move. So wherever we are, we contribute our share, and this is what Father Vincent has done on behalf of all of you, the teachers, especially those who are not here. I like to express our gratitude, a good companion. We lived here. We both of us only, we took care of this building also for 4 years. One to the left, one to the right. Even at night we were chowkidars of this building. So that way we had a very close rapport with one another and lived together and tried to basically for a mission. We were here for a purpose to bring quality education through school and through college. And that has not completely fulfilled. We are still looking for people, and many will come in, many will go, but this journey will continue. So Vincent is going to another place which needs his, many of you may not know, it is in Punjab, 40 kilometers away from Chandigarh. Ropad is a place on the way to Kullu Manali, those who have gone know. And there we have a school, a parish, and a social service center. I'm sure he came from there. Now he's going back to strengthen the campus along with other Jesuits there. So on behalf of all of you, we wish him all the best and contribute to your creativity and make Ropad campus also beautiful, fun-loving, and also which gives a positive vibes. That's one thing I like here. You know, more than living in many places I've lived, what I like in Nevta is the positivity here in terms of fresh air, the people around, and you see, that gives you energy. You don't get tired. When some place you go, immediately you feel exhausted and negativity, full of negativities. And that is because of a lot of people, collective contribution. And once again for Vincent, thank you so much for what you have been. More than what you did, I would say what you have been. So that is more important. Interpersonal relationship, Andrela will definitely is going to miss you. So the collective contribution in terms of functions, etc. But we will try to fulfill your unfulfilled dream, and God bless you, and we will also pray for your mother. Thank you, and have a nice day.